Okay, we'll start chapter 5 now, algebraic expressions. So in class 6 you have already uh, got the introduction of this chapter. So just we'll revise it once again. So what's a constant and a variable? So constant has a fixed value. Okay. So like our natural numbers or the integers, okay, any number you can take. So they have a fixed value. Or you can take symbols also, alpha, beta, and pi, pi. These have fixed values. 3 has a fixed value of 3 only. But in variable, the values can change. They can have different values. And they are denoted by usually the alphabet, okay, x, y, z, etc. So suppose its x is a variable, then x can have many values, okay, as it is defined, it will be defined. So according to that, it can have many values. Like in class 6 I had explained, suppose x is denoted by days in a month. Okay, so days, you can have different days and different months. Okay, in January 31, February you can have 28, 29, or likewise. Okay, April 30. So different values can be there. So that's the difference between constant and variable. Now what is algebraic expression? So the definition is there. They are formed by combining variables and constants which are usually joined by plus or minus signs. So when different variables and constants are multiplied and added or subtracted, it becomes an expression. You know, look here, here on page 87. Look at this diagram here. So this together 5x, look from the factors. Now 5x, y and y, these are the factors. When they are multiplied together, it becomes 5x y square. This together is called a term. Okay, same here. 7x, x and y, when they are multiplied together, it becomes a term. And when they are added or subtracted together, these terms are added or subtracted, it becomes as a whole, it is called an expression. So you should know what is a term, expression and factors. Okay, now come to coefficient. So any factor, any of these factors is called coefficient of the other. Okay, suppose we have to find coefficient of 5. So coefficient of 5, the other 3 factors are the coefficient, and coefficient of x will be the other than x, 5, y will be the coefficient. And now numerical coefficient. Numerical, suppose you are asked what is the numerical coefficient of this term. Numericals means only the number you have to tell. So 5 is the numerical coefficient. Here 7 is the numerical coefficient. Numerical means number. So you just have to tell the number. Oh. Okay, so like and unlike terms. So which terms are called like? Okay, when the literals or the variables have same powers. Okay, suppose here z has power 2, here also z has power 2. So they are called like terms. Okay, first the variable should be same and their power should be also same. Don't look at the numericals here. Just look at the variables. They should be same and the power should also be equal. So they are called like terms. Like z square, 2z square and minus 2z square. They are like terms. Or another example is given here. Y square and y cube. The variable is same here, but powers are different. So they are not like terms. They are unlike. Okay, now according to number of terms, okay, we can identify which type of expression is it. If there is only one term, it is called monomial. And if you have two terms, binomial, three terms, trinomial, and four terms, quadrinomial, and more than four, polynomial. So it's just the number in different language. Mono means one, bi means two, tri means three, quad means four. So just count the terms and we can name them. We will start the exercise in the next class. Okay, you go through these pages, page 86, 87, 88. Okay, read them carefully and we'll start the next exercise.